guys,
scene.
nandito
Do you
kami sa bahay
just carry that around all day?
Faye.
Because that's kind
Yan
of
po
weird.
siya.
Don't judge me. I'm
Alam
trying to
niyo
help
ba
you.
yung pinapanood
Oh,
namin?
okay.
Alangan ito.
We could use it to make the
Alam niyo ba,
necklace.
naririnig yun.
Ooh, I'd like that. I want that
Yan
one.
guys.
Blue's my
Yan guys.
favorite. You're too kind,
Tapos ito
but it will
yung
cost
papa ko
you.
guys.
I hope this is
Umarap
enough.
ka.
If it's cash,
Yan
I'm
po guys
happy.
yan.
I need to
Nasaan
check
pa rin
it's
siya?
legit. I need to get to work.
Tapos yung nanay ko nagtatawang
I cut the
i-kastis
tube
ng
from a
anak
syringe in
ko.
half. Then I'll
Oo,
use it to
naman
remove
talaga
2
ako.
circles from it. That looks good. I'll roll 2 pieces of white clay and I'll place them in the holes. Now I'll use a protractor to cut the disc in half. I'll need a glass now. I'll remove a section from the plasticine. I'll put this to one
Ano,
side.
inom tayo.
I'll stick
Ano,
black
tara.
plasticine to it.
Joke.
And then stick the other piece to it. I'll shape it so it looks like a mouth. I'll gently roll it to get rid of the
Papakita ko
seam.
si Palmer.
That should do it.
Dala
I'll
niya.
use a metal ruler
Aso
to cut it.
namin. Ayan o.
I want to make thin discs,
May dila.
but I need to be careful not to squash them. I think that's enough.
Ayan yun na, pinapanood namin.
It reminds me of
Bata
someone. Now I need to make it into a necklace. I've
Ayun.
got a small hook. I'll insert it
Ayan,
into the
tignan niyo to.
plasticine.
Ayan yun, yun.
Next, I'll add more of the
Ayun na
discs
pa.
until I have a chain of
Yan.
glues.
Hindi,
I've added a
no.
necklace chain at either
Ayun
end.
nga, no, bro.
Look at this.
Ayoko.
How does it look? Wow, it's amazing. My work here
Tingnan
is
mo
done.
na. Lubrox na.
So,
Wow.
bago tayo matapos, gusto ko lang
Bakit ba
i-announce na magkakaroon tayo ng Incatment 2026.
Eh, ma'am, naman tayo magka-camping. Doon kaya tayo ulit sa
Please,
Brookhaven
gusto
Resort.
ko yayawan.
Ay, naku!
Yan.
Meron tayong magandang
Tignan mo yung
pagkakampingan
pin.
ngayong taon. Hindi nyo na kailangan lumayo. Kasi, dito tayo sa school magkakamping.
Ano?
Teka lang, ma'am. Ito po dapat kapag camping sa magagandang lugar like sa mga nature, sa Baguio, o kaya sa beach, o sa mga magulang.
Bye-bye na guys.